Hi guys, welcome back to another Just Meta content creation tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Just Meta to write meta descriptions for your website or web pages. So today, all you're going to do is go to the AI panel and go down to templates. Once you're in templates, you can go to the websites tab, or you can scroll down. It's pretty far down here, and you'll see in green here the word meta description. So this is going to give you some SEO optimized meta description that you can put on your website or web page or blog post. So, for example, the website name we're going to go with is we're going to pretend we're a barber shop. So we're going to call ourselves North Philly Barber.com. And the website description is locally owned barbershop serving Philadelphia community for over 50 years. Check out our specials and schedule your appointment. Keywords are going to be barber, North Philadelphia. I'm missing L's in here. Haircut. Appointment. Deals, promotions. Right. So creativity, I want to be kind of creative here. And let's be friendly. You can choose whichever tone of voice you like or whatever level of creativity. And you just hit generate. And it's going to give me my text or my meta description. So welcome to North Philly Barber, your go-to locally owned barbershop in the heart of North Philadelphia for over 50 years. We have been proudly serving our community, providing top-notch haircuts and exceptional service. Schedule your appointment today and experience the expertise and tradition that sets us apart. Right, so you got this nice, long SEO optimized meta description that you can use on your website. So all you got to do is you can download it or you can save it to your documents over here. You can doctor it up. You can change things over here and see if you get different, outputs, or you can just, do the classic, rewrite, improve your writing, simplify the language, whatever you need to do to get this thing across the finish line. But that's an easy one-click way to create a meta description for your website, blog post, etc. Thank you guys so much for checking out this Just Meta AI creation tutorial. We're going to be going through all the different templates we have available here at justmeta.com, so we hope you join us in the next video.